Hi there, I am Shanami Sirfil and I am the narrator of this video. What is hardware components? Do you know something about hardware components? So, in this video, let's talk about hardware components of computer. Quite simply, computer hardware is the physical components that a computer system requires to function. It encompasses everything with a circuit board that operates within a PC or laptop, including the motherboard, graphics card, CPU, ventilation fan, webcam, power supply, and so on. So, what is the main function of hardware components? The hardware of the computer system includes monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, printer, sound system, RAM, hard disk, and any more. Hardware is used for taking input data from the user, store the data and display the output, and execute the commands given by an individual. There are 5 main hardware components in a computer system, such as input, processing storage, output, and communication devices are devices used for entering data of instructions to the central processing unit. And these are the example of hardware components. Central processing unit. The CPU controls the computer process and communicates with the other components of a personal computer. Motherboard. The motherboard provides the structure for all other components and connects them, while also providing a way to distribute power, deliver information, and connect to the devices such as a printer or mouse. It controls how data transfers and what type of monitor or screen device to use. For example, it houses the CPU, memory, and secondary storage devices such as hard drives. Random access memory. RAM is where data lives temporarily while it's being actively used by programs, such as when a user launches a computer application. A technician may know how to identify the type of RAM in a computer, how to replace it if it's defected, and how to diagnose problems with copying data from one location is memory to another. Video graphics array port. A video graphics array VGA port is a video input that is primarily used on PC monitors. Troubleshooting. A VGA port could include verifying there isn't a loose connection, faulty cable, or a broken monitor. Another task a computer technician may do is use compressed air to spray inside the VGA port to ensure it's free of dust. Power supply. A power supply provides electricity to all components of a computer system. Typically, it's a power cord connected from the back of a PC tower into an electricity socket. A technician may troubleshoot the power supply by turning off the computer, unplugging, and detaching the power supply cord or trying a new cord or outlet. Cooling fans. Cooling fans are a computer system to decrease overheating. Many computers have more than one cooling fan to help users who run their computer heavily, such as video streaming or gaming. Hard drives. Hard drives are data storage devices used to store files, programs, or other information on a computer system. Monitor. A computer monitor is an electronic device that displays what program are running on your computer, so a user can see. Printer. This is a machine that produces copies of text or image on paper using ink. Popular printers include laser or inkjet, and computer technicians may be skilled in troubleshooting issues across multiple brands and varieties. Scanner. A scanner is a device that digitally copies an image and makes it available as file for access on a computer. If a scanner malfunctions, a computer technician may remove the cover and carefully check if it has any damage. Computer mouse. A computer mouse can have a wire or is wireless and It is an input device used to control a cursor or the computer monitor. A wired computer mouse has a cord that connects to USB port on a computer, while a wireless mouse has no physical connection with a computer system. So, what is the difference between the hardware to software? When it comes to computer, the hardware is the physical and tangible part. Some examples of hardware are monitor, keyboard, speakers, etc. While software is the programs and operating system that needs to be installed. Example, Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. What is the importance of hardware component of computer? The computer is so important to us because we can do a file switch can make our daily tasks easier. Without hardware, there would be no way of running the essential software that makes computers so useful. Hardware helps to facilitate any computing operation as well as taking input and outputting or storing the computer result. We use technology in the communication, transportation, learning, manufacturing, creating facts, securing data, and scaling business. Technology is human knowledge which involves tools, materials, and systems. Using technology allows you to make your task easier than usual, so we should use it proper way. That's all. Thank you for listening and watching, and I hope that you have learned something about hardware components.